So, medyo tumugduha, pag-tiaya na mo, you may now have your first kiss. So, kids with license. So, pag-kiss na mo, kaya makakapit. So, kaya po gamay. You may now have your first kiss. So once again, for Joshua and Ati, let us give them a round of applause.